Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about Pura project, providing urban amenities in rural areas. Our former President APJ Abdul Kalam has proposed the concept of Pura in the Vision 2020 project. This system focuses on the solution for the problem of migration of people from rural to urban areas for employment. Dr. Kalam presented this concept in the 90th conference of Indian National Science Congress, which was held in Chandigarh in January 2004. Let's see some of the major objectives of this concept. Providing high-cost technology to village, treating rural development as corporate social responsibility, linking a loop of villages by a ring road about 30 km in circumference with frequent bus services that will integrate the population of all connected villages into one market. Then those villages could become a virtual city with a potential to expand and accommodate 3 to 5 lakhs people, replacing agriculture by connectivity as a driving force of rural development. Rural funds are for investment, not for consumption. Industry and services should be given priority in job creation. Compensation to farmers should be given for the land acquired by an annual fee equal to twice the price of the produce they grow, not by a lump sum amount. Land to employers subleased for both business and for residences for employee within working distance. This will solve the problem of walking daily to work, providing same per capita investment to rural areas as cities do. Pura provides rural development because 3 by 4 of our population lives in rural. By neglecting them, India cannot be a developed nation by 2020. Pura mission envisages economic empowerment to a cluster of villages through the provision of physical connectivity, electronic connectivity, and knowledge connectivity, leading to economic connectivity. Evolution of Pura project report. On the basis of Pura development plan evolves the Pura project report. Identify the nodal village and its cluster villages. Specify the development objectives based on the development indicators. Interact with possible funding agencies and specify the funding methodology. Prepare a management structure for implementation of Pura cluster, specifying the linkages with agencies including NGOs, financial institutions, local bodies, district authorities, and other government agencies. It resulted in skill enabled and knowledge enabled people in areas such as construction, tailoring, garment production, information technology, and spoken English skills. The Gram IT BPO has affected the 10% reverse migration from Hyderabad to Bhimavaram. This model can be replicated by many of our IT companies in the rural sector to create Pura clusters and bring rural transformation. Pura's technology and application of scientific methods of working have played a very important role. That is, the power through biogas and solar energy is used for household lighting, extraction and manufacture of healthcare products through self-help groups, connectivity using wireless and WiMAX technologies, and enabling sustainable development and business processing taking place among the village clusters. Pura complex would have transformed into a dynamic rural complex with focus on employment potential for all the families of Pura clusters with all the connectivities. Let's see about the main objectives. Providing all village citizens dwelling units with clean water supply and sanitation facilities. The village complex will have 100% literacy. Apart from upgrading existing schools, the complex will have a few colleges, world-class vocational training institutions in construction, carpentry, welding, and natural arts. Computer maintenance and services, IT-enabled services, BPO and a call center. The Sakshat program, a one-stop education portal, will be used through internet for capacity building in this region. People in Pura complex will be able to get quality healthcare through telemedicine and mobile clinics via primary health centers. They will be brought under a corporate medical healthcare scheme. Each Pura village complex will be free from diseases such as polio, TB, leprosy, malaria, and other waterborne diseases. This infant mortality will be less than 10%. The Pura complex will promote horticulture and floriculture products. There will be agro-processing industries in each Pura complex for value addition to horticulture produce, creation of dairy and fish farmers for providing additional non-farm revenue to farmers, revival of all existing water bodies in Pura cluster, provision of employment to all employable people of village through additional jobs in dairy, agro-processing, construction, handicraft and tourism enterprises. Overall per capita income of Pura cluster should increase 3 times and people living below poverty line should come down to zero. I would like to say a Gandhiji's quote here. The future of India lies in its villages. Villages are the backbone of India. To achieve this, a dynamic, empowered Pura management board structure is very vital. Together, let us support Dr. Kalam's Pura project. Thank you.